Hello everyone, so here is my 86 and today I want to show you how to change the factory grill to the RS style of grill. She is my assistant Diva. That grill is not coming like this, so I had some modification. Plate holder, the matte black emblem and the S-Lane badge on the side. So if you're interested, stay with us and let's see how we're looking. Guys, paint the crash bar because there is silver and behind the RS grill it's visible, so it looks silly. So I'll paint it for myself, so follow these instructions too. Right guys, another tip how to remove the grill of the bumper. Unscrew the bolts all around like a circle, so check all of it out, and then use cable tie, put the ties under the clips and then they won't clip back again. Right, finally the RS grill looks like this, so it's fitted. It looks different and amazing for me. And also it was a quick idea to tinting headlights too. We will see how's the brightness. If it's too low I can remove it and peel it off, but if it's not, it's much more aggressive, so I can leave it.
Myself, I've been watching you from far, and it's been too long. Can I have the song? I just get so mesmerized when you up and against that pole. I just wanna take you home. Who were they to criticize? How you decide to make your money? I will spend every dime on you, baby. Take it from me. Since I saw you in the corner, had to let you know I want you. All these bitches say you bougie, didn't stop me from approaching. I don't give a fuck what your reputation is. I just won't repeat the same and do it all over again. These are the thoughts in my mind. Hope you don't think I'm crazy, just don't ever try to play me. These are rules I'm engaging. I sit back in the back and wait for the perfect time. Seems you don't have the time. Wish I could reverse the time. Give me time, pretty little thing. Give me love by the sippy cup. Sip me up, finish up, zip it up. This is lust. Woke up in this bitch, said I need that, need that. Shorty caught my eye, said I need that, need that. Let me get a feel, man. I hope it feel real. I'm the fucking real deal. Bend over, bitch, you know the drill. Woke up in this bitch, said I need that, need that. Shorty caught my eye, said I need that, need that. Let me get a feel, man. I hope it